Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making this delicious masala chips, and if you want to learn, keep watching. So first we start frying the chips. So we add some salt to our fried chips and mix the salt properly. Then we chop some coriander real quick, and now we're gonna go through our ingredients. Some turmeric powder, some salt to taste, and chili powder for spices, and then onions and chopped coriander. We have our tamarind sauce right there, the tomato puree, and our fried chips. All have that set. We're gonna start frying our onions with 2 tablespoons oil. Fry them until they're golden brownish. So it shouldn't take you long until they're golden brown. And once they're golden brown, we're gonna pour in our tomato puree, which I had shown you guys earlier in the ingredients. If you don't have tomato puree, you can go with tomatoes or just tomato sauce, I guess, but mostly tomatoes if you don't have the puree. I guess the puree makes it a bit more nice. Anyway, once you put in the puree, you mix it well. You try and let it set for about 5 minutes. Let it cook well. You just need 5 minutes for it to cook. You've let your tomato puree cook well for 5 minutes or so. You start putting in your spices. You go in with the chili powder. You go in with the turmeric powder as well. You can put in paprika powder instead of chili powder if you don't like chili so much. And then you go ahead and put in some salt and just mix it well. Make sure it's properly mixed. So now we're going to be pouring our tamarind sauce. This step can actually be done before putting in the spices or after, like I am. The reason why I'm putting in tamarind sauce in my masala chips because it gives this taste, this sweet kind of taste, which we all want, don't we? So yeah, if you have tamarind sauce, go ahead and put it in. If you don't, I think you can actually skip this taste because it would still be masala chips even if we don't have the tamarind, because the tamarind just adds up the sweet kind of taste and we can do without it. No need for it if you don't have it. So now we're gonna go in and put the chopped coriander we had from our ingredients, and we're gonna mix it well, not for too long, because what we needed to be cooked was the tomato, which is actually cooked already. So now you're just gonna kind of mix it through. This is where we're gonna be adding the fries we have from the ingredients over the sauce we had just prepared. Once you've put in the quantity you need over the sauce, you're gonna start mixing it well. Just make sure all the chips are fully covered in the sauce, and really that's it. There you go, you have your masala chips. I hope the video was easy and understandable to follow through. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment box.